Hello guys, my name is Shaima. So today I will show you how to upload mixed tile to AiHouse. Okay, first you can go to your account, then go to Business Center. So this new page will pop out. Then you can go to Product. Okay, go to My. So here you can upload model from SketchUp or 3D Max. You can upload texture and customize style. Okay, so now go to Customize Style. Okay, first things must click Publish. Okay, then you need to fill in the basic information here. Remember the size must not larger than 5 mm and the format must be in JPEG and PNG. Okay, then select the image, open. Alright, next rename the tile. Put any brand name. Okay, for material properties you can select the type of material you want. Okay, so here I will choose marble. Okay, this is very important. You must fill in the size. Okay. Alright then, go to advanced setting. For the type here, choose multi-bricks mixed tile. Okay, multi-bricks mixed tile. Then here you can upload up to 15 images. Okay, must not larger than 16 mm. Right, so select the image. Okay, you can add more. Alright, then so once you have done upload the image, you can click submit. Alright, submit the image. Then it will pop up here. Okay, you can go back to your design page. You can go to customize, right? Customize, then go inside tiling function. Then you can go to my library. Okay. Alright, select the series. Okay, just now we put the series in the tile 3 to 1. Okay. Then drag it to the floor. Alright, this is how it looks like once you have dragged the tile. Okay, it will randomly rearrange the tile into mixed pattern. Okay, another method you can do is go to My, go to Upload. Okay, so everything you upload in AiHouse will be inside here. Model, texture, and tile. So go to ceramic tile. This one I choose all, right? Okay, so the first one is the tile that we upload just now. Then just drag it to the floor. Okay, this one you don't have to go inside custom tiling. Okay, so good luck trying. Thank you guys for watching.